I'm planting the bomb.
Bomb has been planted.
Laying down smoke.
Terrorists win.
Roger. Roger that. Throwing a grenade. Roger. Fire in the hole. Throwing a flashback.
Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win.
Smoke. Flashbang out. Grenade. Throwing smoke.
Counter-terrorists win.
No, sir. Smoke. Roger that. Deploying flashbang. Grenade!
Terrorists win.
Smoke. Laying down smoke. Deploying flashbang. Throwing a grenade. Flashbang. Deploying flashbang. Throwing flashbang. Grenade.
Counter-terrorist.
Affirmative. Flashbang. Grenade out. Grenade out. Throwing flashbang. 3 mercenaries left. Smoke. Throwing smoke. I am planting the bomb. Grenade.
Bomb has been planted.
Smoke.
Terrorists win.
Flashback. Throwing smoke. Smoke. Grenade. Throwing a flashback. Throwing flashbang. I'm throwing flashbang. Let's go, people. Deploying flashbang. Smoke. Flashbang. Planting.
Bomb has been planted.
Throwing a flashback. Flashback. Grenade.
Terrorists win.
Throwing smoke.
Hang on, I probably should not
Throwing a flashback.
have somebody at home.
Throwing smoke. Move it. Grenade. Throwing fire. Flashback. Throwing a flashbang. Throwing flashbang. I'm throwing a flashbang.
What does Corby do nowadays? More. I am
Smoke.
talking.
Planting.
Sup, fam?
Bomb has been
Molotov. Grenade.
terrorists win.
Cover this area. I'm throwing smoke. Negative. Throwing a flashbang. Smoke. Hold this position. Negative.
User joined your channel.
Laying down smoke.
Anyone in here? What are you doing?
Hold this position. Use
Right now? Yes. Shout out to Jamal Jenkins. He's my lab partner in science. He's collecting the data. Shout out to him. Shout out to my math teacher. Taught me how to do an equation.
Bomb has been planted.
That's about it. Shout out to both stepdads. Stepping up to the plate. Showing my real dad. Are you cutting some?
I'm throwing a grenade.
Wait, Marl.
Oh, okay.
You gotta. I'm gonna play something through the mic when you're recording, okay? It's not gonna be loud.
You're gonna be mad quiet? Question mark?
Be quiet.
Canapa. Laying down smoke.
Shout out to my dealer.
Tell me when you're recording. Oh.
Deploying flashbang.
Because on
User
row
joined your
420.
Shoutouts to my boy Thomas who's joining in the middle.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Marlon, name the whole montage this wall. This wall named Marlax.
Since then, many killings, murders, crime, drugs pouring across the border, our money going out and the drugs coming in.
Drugs coming in.
Throwing a grenade. Deploying flashbang. I'm throwing a flashbang. Flashbang. Canapa.
And quite frankly, it's fucked up. That's what he said in his other interview.
Smoke.
Thomas,
Throwing flashbang.
I need to get one more dollar in my Steam inventory. What should I sell?
What do you need to do?
Get a name tag. Anybody got anything for me to sell
Let's
that's
raffle
mad
ball.
cheap?
Oh, my mic was muted.
Hey,
Shit,
Tom.
shout out to me getting DOS once a week.
Does Archie really do that?
Mm-hmm.
Should I open this Falcon case?
Wow, dude. What video? For what? Oh.
Oh, the.
I'm gonna sell this key on the market. Sell on the community
So
market.
you're recording, like, TeamSpeak audio? Oh, word.
Grenade out.
Oh, well, use nuts.
How do I offer
Good.
a guy? Wait, how do I offer a guy on CS Lounge if he doesn't have a trade up?
You just put the offer in the thing and wait
do you-
for them to.
No, because he says offer me, but how can I offer?
Envy us
The-
on Dust 2. So Dust 2 isn't a
Boosh.
scale for good teams.
Smoke. Throw in a flashbang.
Does anyone want to dab me up the winter offensive case so I could open it?
Beat him on Dust 2.
Listen, bud. Listen. I don't appreciate you heckling Nip. I just don't. Like, I have 3 keys. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Should I just open cases?
Okay, so this guy's claiming to have a $95 skin.
Thomas.
Michael, you need Lounge Destroyer, bro. Every single time.
No, I do. I have it.
Thomas, should I
Your
sell
Steve's
my?
inventory helper?
Should
Yeah.
I sell a key?
It's so helpful.
Or should I open these
I
2
don't-
cases?
Do what you want. There's so many people that are
Could I?
scamming.
I know, they
Yeah.
list like a factory new knife
Yeah.
or something.
Pick a number 1 to 15.
There we go!
17.
38.
No, pick a number 1 to 15.
7.
16?
Right now. 7. 7. 7.
Alright, opening case 7.
16?
I've never had a flacone.
Desert Eagle Naga? Yes! 10-cent skin!
I've never even
Mine's
used it.
$1.
I literally got it the second you asked me.
Flagogan.
I am planting.
Look at Hogan. Yay!
Dude, I hate cases. Why do I open them?
Do you ever like choke on alcohol from
Am I tripping?
Spit? You ever choke on your own spit?
Imagine. Sell on communitizel market, bruh.
Your password was changed 5 days ago. What?
What?
Oh, gotcha.
Oh.
Why'd you change your password?
What's going on?
ZZ Raffy?
Throwing
Uh-huh.
flashbang. Throwing flashbang.
But he had 19. Brian, Brian Reed.
Flashbang.
It's Brian D, Marl. God. GG.
Thomas, you changed your password?
Yeah.
How can you do this to me?
Throwing a flashbang.
Not to you.
How can you?
GG!
Yo! This guy
Thomas.
is fucking Steve. This guy is Stream Junior.
Guys, this nigga is
Thomas.
steamy.
What?
How do you do this?
What?
I'm done. I'm done.
There was a security breach.
I'm done.
It got logged into from Indonesia.
I'm done.
Oh yeah? You want a fucking Indonesian kid?
Give
throwing
me
a
your
flip-flop
password,
at my
Thomas.
computer?
Give me your password.
Fair back.
Thomas, you need to give me your password.
Indonesians, Vietnamese, fucking
Give me your
everyone,
password.
they only wear fucking...
Give
no-
me.
no- Have you ever seen an Indian in shoes? Like a grown adult Indian man?
No.
Never. Always in fucking
No.
sandals. Made in
Give me your
made
password.
in his house before he
Give
moved
me
here.
your password.
No?
Why? Why? It has to be like this, Thomas. You have my password for everything.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
Apparently
do.
some sand nigger with a Middle Eastern IP just logged
Don't-
onto my account and stole my knife.
I
You don't
have
remember
yours.
what I told you? Alright, that's good. Alright, wait. No.
Oh yes, yes. Thank you for freezing. I was hoping you'd do this.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright,
Oh,
let's
it's
see.
not
I gotta name my
frozen,
knife
okay.
Blade of the Exile again.
Name it Tommy Nugan.
Blade of the Exile.
No, no, Ryan Nugan.
Rynug.
Ryan Nug.
Rynug!
I'm naming it Blade of the Exile because Riven is Bay.
Alright, I'm gonna put on the foul chain for both sides right now. I'm gonna leave my M9s. I'm gonna put them up on the shelf, hang them up.
Make a
What?
bind, be like,
They're hung
Falchion?
up right now. They're hung up on the
I
shelf.
traded Tom for my falchion.
Why? Thomas!
You're fun.
Laying down smoke. Smoke. Throwing flashbang.
One thing consists of consistence. Well, if one thing consists of consistence, what is it?
Flashbang.
What? Dude? Yeah. No, it's not. That's the answer, dude.
Oh, dude.
Noog.
Planting.
Billy Noogan.
Stop, gas stop.
Wait, where is it located? Cause
I'm
I-
Del Mabry.
where? I live in New York.
Smoke. Throwing smoke.
Okay, then you have the wrong number.
Clearly. Say
What?
clearly, what the
Alright.
fuck?
You have the wrong attitude, bitch!
Oh my god, Dormo. Alright.
I wanna ask for Wesley.
Call ShopRite. I'll be like,
No, yo, Michael, I wanna do it this time. I wanna do it with the, and let's say. Alright, well, I'm not trying to put it like, can I speak to a manager, please?
Sure, hold on one sec.
Alright, word.
Deploying flashbang. Decoy. Flashbang.
Get out of here, Dorno.
You know what we should do?
You hang up on him?
No, I muted him.
Get a fire alarm pulled, boys.
Should,
Yeah, please let's
you guys should talk, and we should switch the person talking like mid.
No. I'm gonna put
Alec,
in
when
some good
when
word for
manager
John.
talks, let me talk.
Oh, please, can we do a
Nope.
fire alarm? I will.
What's fire
poop.
alarm?
I will
What
poop
is
I
it?
can do.
myself.
Fire alarm is so fun.
Dude, it's
What
where
is
you,
it?
it's where you call some place and then you act like you're like some kind of fire department place and you say you disabled the fire alarm, but they need to pull it just so we have the signal. Please, let's do it. Please, let's do it, dude. Let's do it to me. No,
No,
it's
it
not.
worked.
Shop, I can help you?
Hello?
No, we.
Hello?
Hello? I wanted to put in a good word today because I was with my buddies today earlier, and I was just like,
Agreed. Flashbang. Smoke. Planting.